Conservative.
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 Conservative can be a noun or an adjective. As a noun, conservative can mean 1. A person who favors maintenance of the status quo. 2. A member of a political party incorporating the word conservative in its name. 3. A member of the Conservative Party. 4. Pertaining to Conservative Judaism. As an adjective, conservative can mean 1. Cautious. 2. Tending to resist change or innovation. 3. Based on pessimistic assumptions. 4. Supporting some combination of fiscal, political or social conservatism. 5. Relating to the Conservative Party. 6. Neither creating nor destroying a given quantity. 7. Having power to preserve in a safe or entire state, or from loss, waste, or injury, preservative. 8. Relating to Conservative Judaism. 9. Conventional, traditional, and moderate in style and appearance, not extreme, excessive, faddish, or intense. 10. Not including any operation or intervention, set of a treatment, see conservative treatment.
And we chose a conservative approach.